Hello, everyone! Today, we're here to learn a handy trick, how to schedule your emails to send at a later time. Whether you're planning to send a message during the optimal moment or want to plan your communications in advance, scheduling emails can be a game changer. Let's dive into the steps. Scheduling emails. Step 1. To get started, open your email draft. Step 2. Next to the Send button, you'll notice a small downward arrow. Click on it to reveal additional options and select Schedule Send. Choosing a schedule. Step 3. Once you've selected Schedule Send, you'll see a few suggested dates and times. If one of these fits your needs, simply click on it. Alternatively, you can choose your own date and time by clicking on the calendar and clock icons here. Finalizing the schedule. Step 4. After picking the desired schedule, click Schedule Send to complete the process. Your email is now set to be sent at the designated time without any manual intervention from your end. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to schedule your emails for later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!